switch to the end. Hi, let me tell you about our work. A sawmill is an enterprise for the primary processing of wood into the timber in the logging industry. As a rule, the timber cut on clear-cut harvesting plots or in the areas where thinning was done after limbing in the form of tree-length logs goes first to the upper timber yards and then is transported to the lower yards by motor vehicles, tractors or narrow-gauge logging roads. It is at the lower storehouses that the sawmill can be based. However, in some cases, after the limbing and log splitting, the timber can be shipped directly to where it used by river raft, railroad, water transport, or combination of them. The sawmill receives timber in natural humidity without pre-drying, so it is not suitable for joinery work. Therefore, the sawmill cuts the logs into sleepers, leads, logs, and boards. The timber that is selected for further processing into joinery after primary processing at the sawmill is dried in drying chambers. Or naturally. The sawmill cuts the logs into measured pieces of different lengths depending on the purpose. The logs are then sawn lengthwise on frame, circular or band saws. In recent years, log sawing machines have appeared. They make high-speed log sawing with the system of circular saws. Write in the comments below what do you think about it. Thanks for listening and have a great day. Hi, let me tell you about our work. A sawmill is an enterprise for the primary processing of wood into the timber in the logging industry. As a rule, timber cut on clear-cut harvesting plots or in the areas where thinning was done after limbing in the form of tree-length logs goes first to the upper timber yards and then is transported to the lower yards by motor vehicles, tractors or narrow-gauge logging roads. It is at the lower storehouses that the sawmill can be based. However, in some cases, after the limbing and log splitting, the timber can be shipped directly to where it used by river raft, railroad, water transport or combination of them. The sawmill receives timber in natural humidity without pre-drying, so it is not